What's up, you guys? Welcome back to Aviv International Demos. I applied the blush shade Peachy Pink all over my eyes because I'm going for this really cute, warm, summery vibe. Now we're going to take the bronzer shade Golden Peach and we're going to put that on our eyelids, and we're also going to use that for our bronzer when we're doing our face. Now I have been using the new brush set, which is right above my head right here. To do my makeup recently, I used the small domed brush to put Peachy Pink all over my eyelids, but that is the only fluffy brush that this set has currently. So I'm going to use a smaller fluffy brush to apply my Golden Peach all over the eyelid. We're going to go ahead and do the bottom lashes with a little bit of the Peachy Pink. So we're going to take the small fluffy brush and line the bottom lashes. Okay, now I have my mascara on. I'm going to show you how to take an eyeliner brush and some black eyeshadow and fill in your waterline. This helps make the eye look larger and your eyelashes look fuller. Just enough to get it, dark. And then I'm gonna have to use my mirror on here, excuse me. And then I just as you can see, this eye is much bigger now. I don't know, it's just an illusion, but it makes the eye look bigger, and it's now made my eyelashes look fuller, so I'm here for it. And I just rotate my head so the center of my eye doesn't get stabbed because that's uncomfortable.